Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It's your favorite mentor, the one and only Forex hero. Today, guys, I'll be revealing the secret of Nas100. So, if you are new to this channel and you are not a member yet, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button, click the like, and also click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop something message. And also, I'd like to thank you guys. We are just closer and closer, much closer than we thought we'd be. We are closer to 10K subscribers. So share it with your friends and families and make sure they are part of this team. I'll be sharing you the secrets of trading Nas100. But for much more clarity and other bigger secrets, you know what to do. Join the Forex Heroes course. Let's go to the charts. Okay, I'm on the charts now and I'll be showing you the ways of the 98% strategy works. So now you'll be able to understand why we are able to get the market 98% of the time. As you know that you cannot win all the trades, but let me show you come into terms and give you a much clarity. You see here, we saw that yes, we are indeed gonna push to the upside, but this one you could see it's a correction and then a break. But how would you know this one? This one we managed to catch it on daily. I went to daily and I analyzed the market. Then I could see that the only or the predicted level that we can expect the market to come and retest, or the market to take their orders, was at this point here. So there were orders here, the buys that pushed and then they came back to take them. So they knew that okay, you can see this, but how can we come back without using it? Is to push below it before pushing up, which is what I call as well as a stop hunt. Yes, stop hunt. So with this week, so stop loss hunt, this one. So they knew that you would see this as a double bottom. So what they did, they had to push a little bit before we push to the upside. So now let's clear everything. Clear everything. Okay. Then I'm gonna go back to daily. Always make sure that whenever you analyze, you start from a higher time frame, you start from daily so that you can be able to see the bigger picture and also understand where the market possible turning points are, and you can be able to analyze as well. Okay, everything is clear. Just my previous videos, I showed you guys just about how to use the feed level. As you can see, this one, this was 618. This one can take it from here. You can see 618, between 618 and 786. Okay. Now we can see that okay, fine. We are having this W formation, right? So we can clearly see that we are in a uptrend because of this point. You understand? And also never use one point to determine your uptrend. You can see we broke this line. As you know that below it was a downtrend, and then we broke it. So now we have another confirmation that yes, indeed, we are pushing to the upside. As you know, whenever you are having this, so anything, so anything below this was a downtrend, and now we broke it down. We are looking to push to the upside, which is what we are having here. Okay, fine. Now I like to keep my charts clean, so what I'll do, this one can be a factor as well, and then I'll use this one as well, because you can see we had a rejection here. If we didn't have, I'll use this one. So now let me see, I'll also use this point here, but the lowest that we have is this one. Okay, then go to my 4 hour. So I can see the market reversed from here. You can see. So then you can see the market came, rejected this point, a little bit push. So you can use this for future confirmations, because this is the new low after this one. So let's see what could possibly happen now. I like what I'm seeing now. I like what I'm seeing now. If you are a long-term trader, you can put your buy. It will be safer to put it below here than you take it all the way. Understand? But as you know that you will want to get those sniper entries. So, and make sure guys you comment below to give me topics of the type of analysis you like to see on my channel. For you guys, you are part of the family now, so I like to cater for you as well. But as you know, some of the information is in the course, so I'll try to give you guys much clarity as much as possible so that you guys can also benefit from this. What did I say? I said we have something of this nature. You can say this is an impulse, then this is correction. I'm really expecting that the Nas100 to push to the upside. But let's also take into account what is, you have to understand by using the fib. Not all the time the fib will come back to 618, because you can see the 618 is lower here. 618 is lower here. So we can use this, and then we have 38.2. So if you were to take this trade, we are buying, right? I can do that, and then you can put your stop loss just below 618, and then take it all the way up. So this is my point of confluence, because there's a chance of the market pushing in this. So you want to be safe whenever that happens, because in most of instances this happens. Look what happened here. Even if it doesn't come in this correction, look what happened. We had this, and then you would have bought here, and then what happened? You see, push, then you buy, then what does the market do? Push, then come back to the test before pushing further. So there is a chance of the market doing this. So you need to be safe. There is a chance of the market doing this before doing this. It can come with a single candle or two candles, or even in a corrective manner like I've shown you in this manner. They're just testing your edge. So one of this can possibly happen. So, but you'll be safer to put it here. But if you put it here, you are more than safer. But you have to understand that you have to apply your risk carefully. So I'll rather put it just below here, because here it will mean that the market has a chance of breaking and going down. But right now, I would look for buys. Let's go to 15 minutes. Always, guys, this strategy is 90% great. So you have to use stop loss for that 2%, because remember, not all the time all your trades will be correct, but you make sure that we increase our wins and our losses become lesser and lesser. So you can see now we are already seeing a little bit chance of coming back. Okay. So we do this. So there's actually a scenario what could possibly happen here. So now you can see we broke out of this. We broke out of this here. So I'd like to do this because I've seen that we are indeed coming to the top. So I'll remove this. Then I just want to have this one more. Oh, okay. As you know, I like to keep my charts clean. Something like this. This is what I like to see. So here's what I'm expecting here. Yeah. So you can see we broke here. So let me see if I use my feed to this level just to see. So the break of this is the one that showed us that we are pushing to the upside. So this is just what we can expect. Okay. Here's what I can expect to happen. Let me show you this scenario. Let's put it here. You see? Okay. Another one would be, you can see, we pushed and we came. And this one, this is what we are seeing now. So you can see impulse, correction, impulse. Impulse. And then this one will be correction. Is the same thing here. We're having a correction. And then I'm expecting a bigger impulse. So this is our impulse. So this is what I'm looking for. So you can see we're expecting something like this here. And something like this will push to the upside. Okay. Voila. So we know we're gonna be by taking it all the way to the top. Okay. Let's That's what I'm looking for. Okay, can remove this and this. So it's clear. You can see the illustration here. It's your favorite mentor, the one and only Forex Hero. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you share with your friends and families. Catch me in the next video. Peace, 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 peace. Subscribe, or else I will steal your dog.